Listen closely. For 2026, Swarovski released 7 flagship necklaces. The ads are everywhere. But there's one specific piece they are not pushing to the masses. It's whispered about in collector circles. It's the crystal that doesn't play by the rules. Today, we're going beyond the catalog. We're exposing the 2026 necklace that carries a hidden cost, not just in price, but in sheer addictive allure. Is it a masterpiece or a financial trap? You decide by the end. But I warn you, seeing it up close changes things. Number 1. Gemstone King 1 to 5 Carat. This stunning pendant necklace is a true work of art, featuring a brilliant 1.00 CT pear-shaped white lab-grown diamond. This exquisite gemstone has been certified by the International Gemological Institute, IGI, a highly respected authority in the industry, ensuring exceptional quality and authenticity. The certification guarantees superior characteristics of the diamond, offering buyers peace of mind regarding their investment. The IGI certification enhances reassurance for potential buyers, as it confirms that the diamond meets stringent criteria for quality and authenticity. This includes verifying the gem's lab-grown origin, which is an important factor for those who prioritize ethical sourcing and environmental considerations. The certification encompasses precise evaluations of the diamond's color, clarity, and cut, which are critical attributes that determine its overall brilliance and beauty. Number 2. Swarovski Gema Crystal Bracelet Collection. A world of wonder awaits you with this extraordinary bracelet that continually astonishes with its captivating blend of vibrant cuts and colors. The piece features a mesmerizing array of warm hues, artfully transitioning from deep emerald greens to bright jade tones, creating a truly one-of-a-kind accessory that stands out in any jewelry collection. Versatile and eye-catching, each stone in this bracelet is meticulously set in a luxurious gold-tone finished setting. The crystals are designed to catch and refract light beautifully from every angle, making this piece a sparkling and prismatic statement accessory. Whether you're dressing up for a night out or adding a touch of glamour to your everyday attire, this bracelet serves as the perfect complement to various styles. Number 3. Swarovski Matrix Tennis Necklace. For a true expression of elegance, this exquisite matrix necklace is an essential choice for anyone looking to elevate their jewelry collection. The all-around design boasts a stunning rhodium finish, ensuring durability and a timeless appeal. This piece is adorned with alternating Swarovski zirconia and small Swarovski crystal pearls, arranged in a seamless and sophisticated row that catches the light beautifully. Designed with versatility in mind, the matrix necklace features an additional extender, allowing you to easily adjust the fit to your preferred size, ensuring maximum comfort and style. Whether you are dressing up for a special occasion or adding a touch of elegance to your everyday wear, this necklace is the ideal blend of modern and classic styles. It serves as a go-to piece of jewelry that provides refinement and sophistication, making it perfect for any occasion when you want to make a statement. Number 4. Swarovski Sparkling. The Sparkling Dance Collection is a stunning range of jewelry items that draw inspiration from the beautiful concept of dancing crystals. This innovative design philosophy not only enhances the elegance of each piece but also adds an enchanting touch of sparkle that can elevate any outfit, making it a must-have accessory for fashion enthusiasts. Whether you're dressing for a casual day out or an elegant evening gathering, these pieces will effortlessly infuse a playful sparkle into your daytime style. One standout item from the collection is an exquisite necklace crafted with meticulous attention to materials and quality. It features a rose gold tone coating that radiates charm and sophistication, making it an ideal gift for special occasions such as Valentine's Day or Mother's Day. The necklace showcases round stones, artfully surrounded by intricate crystal pave settings, which sway delicately to create an illusion that they are floating. The rose gold tone plated chain measures a graceful 38 centimeters in length, ensuring it sits perfectly around the neck. Number 5. Houston Diamond District. Houston Diamond District offers an exquisite IGI-certified lab-grown cushion-cut diamond pendant necklace from their premium collection. This stunning piece features a luxurious cushion-cut diamond that is secured with a 4-prong setting, ensuring maximum brilliance and security. The diamonds are of FG color, indicating near colorlessness, and possess VS1, VS2 clarity, which means they have very slight inclusions that are difficult to detect even under magnification. Perfect for any occasion, this pendant necklace showcases not only the beauty of the diamond but also the ethical choice of lab-grown stones. Each necklace is crafted with precision and care, making it a remarkable addition to any jewelry collection. And that's the unforgiving truth. It's breathtaking, it's expensive, and it's now seared into your mind. So, what's your verdict? Masterpiece or mistake? The debate starts in the comments. If this luxurious deep dive made you reconsider everything you knew about crystal jewelry, please hit that like button. It tells YouTube this is valuable. Share this with someone who appreciates true craftsmanship. And subscribe, the bell icon, because next week, we're dissecting a watch so exclusive, they only made 10. All the direct links to purchase or simply dream over this 2026 Swarovski necklace are neatly waiting for you in the video description below.